Alright guys, welcome back. I am heading out of the house right now, sorry about that. But I do want to bring you guys the video for today, so here I am. But today, my brakes really squeal. My brakes are either completely garbage or they just get like wet and rusty. I've almost ripped my mirror off there. Either get wet and rusty and then squeal just right off the start, but they stop fine. So anyways, probably should get that checked out. But anyways, so today I'll show you some more pictures. There were some people in the way. At the end of the day, so I couldn't really make a video because they were about to get up into space where I was working, so I couldn't really record. I'm just all over the place. I'm very sorry about this. So I was working on piping out of the panels, the 1-inch, there was 5 1-inch pipes that I ran out of the top of the panel. I think I need to slightly adjust a few of them, the ones that have the offset. I think I need to put a little bit more bend in them because it seems like they're leaning a little bit, not all the way straight. Once they get to the top, it looks like they need a little more bend in them, if that makes sense to you. But anyways, I'll show you the pictures, and I worked on the 5 1-inch pipes coming out of the top of the panel. And the reason I had to offset 2 of those is because there was a stud above the ceiling right in the way of 2 of them, so that's why. And then basically one above the ceiling, and also worked on the little split unit, mini splits or whatever. So the air conditioners, and I ran the non-metallic, I don't even know what it's called right now, the flex with the metal in it, the non-metallic flexible tubing, also called seal tight. So I worked on that, shoved that down from the ceiling, mounted a couple boxes to pull the wire into for each of the units, and then tied those boxes together with a 3/4 inch pipe. And then that pipe for power is being sent up to the roof. So I didn't get to finish that yet today. I'm sending that up this little strut that I'm guessing the air conditioning people used. So I'm just attaching to their little flimsy little strut that's going up the ceiling. So that's where I'm currently at, and I'm finished working on that tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'm going to have to continue to finish those 1-inch pipes. Basically, they're just shooting through the ceiling right now. I don't think I got a picture of that, but basically those are going to connect to the ceiling on the rack. And basically those were the pipes that I was running the last couple days. And now I'm just connecting to them from the panel room, basically. And then the other things I did today, I feel like that was actually it. But it was working on piping on the 5 pipes, the air conditioner units, and then above the ceiling for the air conditioner units. So I think that was really it. So I'm sorry this video is very terrible and I've wasted 3 minutes of your time, but I want to bring you guys this video because you guys are important to me. But I also have to do a lot of stuff today, or I'm just very rushed on time. I'm already late, like 15 minutes late, but anyways, it doesn't matter that much. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. I will finish this once I get to my destination, adding the music and the pictures and the little words on the screen. And I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure, if you did, to hit the like button. It would help me out, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. And if you want to check out the description for social medias to follow along on Instagram or anything good like that, check out below for that. And if you want to follow along for video updates or live streams, make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to, and that should do it. Let me get one pull for you guys right through the intersection.